Hey guys, I'm back. This is part 2 of the K2 ARCs sound. And I'll add some noises of the back version of these because they also have different sounds. So yeah, so there might also be a part 3. But anyway, let's get started so that we don't waste that much time. This is Goku no Ko. Alright, that was Goku no Ko. Next up, we have Goku Bushinyan, which is Goku Shogunyan. So put it in. See that LED? There's Goku Bushinyan. Next up, we have this mirror pose thingy. There we go. Next up, we have this other type of Komasan. Alright. Next up, this soda can thingy. The rest I don't know the name of, I think. Yeah. Alright, that was this guy. Next up, this guy I actually know his name of. It's the Whisper, but he's dressed up as Compunzer. So this is actually a kind of rare arc. So let's do it. Alright, that was Whisper Compunzer. Next up we have this guy. That was that guy. Last medal, and then we'll move on to the sounds on the back of them. Alright, that was that person. Next up are the backs of the same yokai, I did from part 1 and this part. So let's start off with the creator. He knows all. This is the back version. This was the front. So the back. There we go. There was Hinozo. Back version. Next up we have Tattletale on the back. Oh. There we go. There was Tattletale. Next up we have Blazion, the non-rare, the unrare one. There's a rare one and a not rare one. Oh, I keep forgetting to close it. I'm gonna not say their names anymore. Just put them in so it's quicker. Alright, next up. Next up. Alright.